Okay, here's the homework help video part 2. I started by rewriting this equation so that you could see that it's a times m is equal to n plus p. I'm solving for a, this one right here. So all I have to do is divide by m, both sides, in order to isolate that a. So I'm going to divide by m, and I get a is equal to, and I'll leave it as n plus p over m, but I could also write it as a is equal to n over m plus p over m. Those are exactly the same thing. Whoops. Sorry. I kind of like it like that. Okay, the next one I have g equals ca minus b, and I want to solve for a, which is this guy here. So I need to isolate that. So I'm going to first undo any addition or subtraction by adding a b to both sides. This cancels, and then I get g plus b is equal to c times a, which is when you write letters next to each other, that just means times. So I need to get a alone, so I'll just divide by c on both sides, and I'll get g plus b is over c is equal to a. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. So that could also be written as g over c plus b over c is equal to a. Okay, here I'm solving for a. So this is like saying u is equal to a times k over b. And I could do this in 2 steps, or I could do this in 1 step. I want to show you the 1-step version. So I just want that variable, so what I don't want is k over b. So I'm going to multiply this by b over k, and this will eliminate all the unwanted stuff in 1 step. So a is equal to bu over k. Now how did I know how to combine this? Because this is like saying u over 1, and I'm multiplying 2 fractions here. So I get b times u over k times 1, or just k. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next page. I'll get a couple more done. So here I am solving an equation, so I'm solving for m. I need to basically get all of my m variables together on one side of the equation and all of my constants on the other side. So I'm going to start by recognizing that I have 5m minus 12m, which is a negative 7m, and let's plus 3.5 is equal to 31.5. Okay, sorry, that's off on the line a little bit. So I'm going to subtract 3.5 from both sides, and I'm going to get negative 7m is equal to 31 negative, or 28 is what I want to be, what I want to have. Okay, and then I'll divide both sides by negative 7, and I'll get that m is equal to negative 4. Okay, do a couple more before my time runs out on the YouTube length of video. Okay, so this, I'm going to multiply both sides by something in order to get rid of that denominator so I don't have to deal with it. I'm going to multiply both sides by 8 times 8 times 8. So I get 4 times 7 plus x plus 5. And the way I got that was I did 8 times 7 over 2 plus 8 times x plus 5 over 8 is equal to 9 times 8, equal to 9 times 8. This is just me distributing the 8 next to both of these numbers, and this is that simplified. So I did the cross cancellation, and it's 4 times 7, which is 28, plus, and then this canceled to 1, so I got x plus 5 equals, and then 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, 28 plus 5 is 33, plus x equals 72. And I'm going to subtract 33 from both sides, and I'll get x is equal to 72 minus 33. That is 6, 12, that makes 9, and 30. X equals 39. Okay, I'm going to publish this and then make your last video.